Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to log in to your Tinder account. For that, you must be logged out of your Tinder account and you must already have an account in Tinder. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Tinder account. So once you tap, you reach this page where you'll have three options to log in with. I'm gonna tap on log in with phone number. So once you tap in login with phone number, you reach this page where you'll have to type your phone number and tap on continue option. So once you tap on continue, a verification code will be sent to you in your phone number. You'll have to go and type your verification code and then tap on continue option. So once you tap on continue option, you will be logged into your Tinder account. So if you want to ensure if it's you or not, you can go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, you reach this page where you can see your name. So that is how you know that you've been logged into your account. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.